Top Test Prep.
It's important to remember that the LSAT is a skills test, not an aptitude test. So they're not going to be asking straightforward math questions or anything like that. They're going to be asking more applied questions that may seem a little convoluted at first. So let's look at the different sections that are on the LSAT. Keep in mind that this is not necessarily the order of multiple choice sections that you're going to see on your test day, but the writing sample is always last. So let's see what we got here. The LSAT is always made up of at least 2 logical reasoning sections, each having 24 to 26 questions. Now, there really is no difference between these 2 sections, but it's important to note that out of the 4 scored multiple choice sections, half of those sections are made up of logical reasoning. So you're going to want to make sure that this is one of your strongest skills going into test day. Next, you'll have some sort of section on logic games. Now, this sounds pretty fun, but they're not really games per se. They're more like questions that assess your ability to recognize patterns and to solve other applied problems like that. Now, you'll have a reading comprehension section as well that only has about 26 to 28 questions. It's pretty basic. You'll be given a passage, you answer questions based on those passages. Now, like I said, there's a writing sample that will be at the end of your LSAT, but this is unscored. It's basically just a way to assess your writing skills. There's also this additional experimental multiple choice section that's not scored as well, and it's going to take the form of one of these types of multiple choice sections. So you won't know on the day of the test which section is the experimental section. So don't worry about it. Don't try to figure it out. Just focus on each section as if they count. So if you need help getting ready for that LSAT, make sure to call us at 1-800-501-7737.